if you use Windows 10 or 11, sometimes you will see this red dotted sign on your files. Just check these folders, you will see all these red dots on this file and folders. Today, I want to show you how you can remove these signs from your file or folder. So let's go into it so I can show you. So to do this, locate your OneDrive icon. This is OneDrive here. Click on it. Go to settings. Click on settings. Then when you come here, click on account. So click on this, unlink this PC. Unlink PC. Then take unlink again. Then when you do that, you will see that those signs will go off. And mind you, every other thing you save on that OneDrive, you're going to lose it. So this is how to remove those dotted file signs on your PC. Thank you and follow us for more.